Hi, this is Noah Benjamin. I'm here presenting my third math video. This time it's taken from the study guide for our midterm. I chose to do study guide number 91, which says Amy travels 450 miles at a certain speed. If the car had gone 15 miles per hour faster, the trip would have taken 1 hour less. Find Amy's speed. So, we have there we go. We have, to set up the equation first, we have distance equals rate times time up here on the top. And so the distance is 450 equals r times t. R stands for rate, t is for time. Then for case number 2, that's case number 1 up here. Case number 2 is 450 is equals rate plus 15 if we went 50 miles per hour faster, times t minus 1. It would be 1 hour less if it went 50 miles per hour faster. So we have the first equation up here, case number 1, 450 over r. Actually, it's 450 equals r times t. Then you divide this side by r and this side by r. So this side cancels out, and you get t equals 450 over r. Then for the bottom one, you calculate that out. You get 450 equals r plus 15 in parentheses, and then you take the t and substitute it in for a t minus 1 here, and you get 450 over r minus 1 in parentheses. And then you FOIL it, just combine them all together, and you get 450 equals 450 minus r plus 6,750 over r minus 15. And then you're going to cancel out what you can, so you subtract 450 on both sides, and then you get 0 equals negative r plus 6,750 over r plus minus 15, and then you're going to take that and multiply it all by r, so then it becomes a quadratic. As you can see, we have negative r squared minus 15r plus 6,750. I rearranged a little bit after multiplying it by r. And so here you have negative 1 equals a, negative 15 equals b, and 6,750 equals c. So then you can do the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And so you've got positive 15 plus or minus square root of 225 minus 4 times negative 1 times 6,750 all over negative 2, which then turns out to be, it's a little hard to see. Okay, there we go. It turns out to be 15 plus or minus square root of 27,225, because it's this combination up here is 27,000 and 225 here, all over negative 2. So then I'm going to move back up here. It turns out the square root of 27,225 is 165, and so you have positive 15 plus or minus 165 over negative 2, which can be either 15 plus 165 over negative 2, which turns out to be negative 90, which is illogical because you can't go negative 90 miles per hour and get somewhere. And then, or it can be 15 minus 165 over negative 2, which turns out to be 75 miles per hour, which would make sense because if you add 15, you get 90 miles per hour, and going 90 miles per hour for 450 miles, you'd get to where you need to be at 5 hours rather than 6. And so that's my problem. Hope you enjoyed.